Hello learners. Today we learn how to add border in table. So let's start it. First of all we write document type declaration doc type html. Now we write html tag html to html. Now we write body tag we add body tag. If we want we add here head tag also. Use here head tag head tag. We make a title of it, title such as add border in table. Now our title is ready. We see it. We we write here table element. To create table, use table element. Our table element is ready. Now we use table row. Table row. Table row. Our first table row. There are many table datas also here. Now we use here some datas. Table data. Some data. Our first data is, for example, serial. We use here other data, table data, TD element. We write here subject. We write here other table data element, table data. We write here result. Result. Now our table first row is ready. We use here second table. We use here second table row element. We add our data, table data, table data, table data. We write here one. We write here other table data, table data, table data. We write here our one subject name English. We write here another table data, table data, table data. We write our GPA 5. Now our table is ready, but there is no border. For border, use an attribute in table, border attribute, and its value is 1. Use quotation here. Value must write 1. Now we seen. Now our border is ready, but there is double border. So how can we solve it? We solve it. We use another attribute, cell spacing. Cell spacing. Equal it, and use quotation. Write it here value 0. Our now our border is 1. We also use here another attribute, cell padding, and value it first of all, and use quotation. Value it 20. Now our heading is, our table is ready. Our table border is ready. Cell padding used for distance of your border to your element. I think you learn it carefully. For more learning videos, please subscribe my channel and comment what you wanted. Goodbye, best wishes.